The Scottish accent, made famous by that Scottish actor Sean Connery, the original James Bond 007. He had the style, he had the smile, and he had, of course, the Scottish accent. And just like James Bond, that face on the big screen who we all fell in love with, the Scottish accent is romantic. It's captivating. It's charismatic. And just like 007, the superhero, he's the man, he's the one, he's ready to save the world. The Scottish accent is dynamic, it's iconic, and it's super cool. But sometimes, you know, when Scottish people speak English, then their accent can sound pretty strong. I mean, at times. And so if you'd like to, maybe want to, soften or reduce your strong Scottish accent when speaking English, get in touch.